Thomas had been assigned a very important job by the Fat Controller. He was to deliver fireworks to the docks. On his way, he saw Harold waiting in an airfield and decided to scare the propellers off of him.
Hey, what did you do? Something's wrong. Oh no, don't you leave me here. No, oh no,
Thomas, who hadn't realized this vehicular manslaughter yet, hadn't been paying attention to the track in front of him and had been switched onto the wrong line. Bertie, who had been fed up with Thomas's nonsense, decided to finally get back at him.
That can't be good.
Thomas had become nothing more than a smoldering pile of rubble. Luckily, however, Edward, with the help of Rocky, pulled him out to safety. Edward soon arrived at the station where Percy was waiting to leave with his train. What happened to him?
Well, this idiot decided he wasn't going to pay attention to the line in front of him.
That's pretty stupid, Thomas. Especially with all them explosives he was carrying.
Oh, gee, Rocky, I wonder if I had noticed that.